Bought a game on Steam and regret it or found a better deal somewhere else? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you exactly how to refund a game on Steam step by step. Before we start, there are two important requirements. First, the game must have been purchased within the last 14 days. Second, you need to have played it for less than 2 hours. If you meet these conditions, your refund will usually be approved without any issues. In some cases, you might still get a refund even if you don't meet these requirements, so it's worth giving it a try. If possible, though, don't go over the 2-hour playtime limit and don't wait longer than 14 days, or your chances of getting a refund go down. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Steam on your computer. In the top menu, click on Help, then click on Steam Support. Once you're there, click on Purchases. This will show you a list of your recent transactions. Now find the game you want to refund and click on it. On the next screen, click on I would like a refund, then click on I'd like to request a refund. After that, you'll need to choose a reason for your refund. Just pick the option that best matches your situation. It doesn't have to be anything complicated. Next, choose how you want to receive your refund. You can either get the money back to your original payment method or have it added to your Steam wallet. In some cases, only the Steam wallet option will be available. You can also add a note if needed. Once you've selected everything, click Submit to send your request. That's it. Your refund request has now been sent. Steam will review your request, and this usually takes anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. If your refund is approved, the money should be returned within about a week. Keep in mind that while your refund is being processed, the funds might appear as pending in your Steam wallet for up to 24 hours before you can actually spend them on a new game. And that's how you refund a game on Steam. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy guides.